Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial and thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. So today's video is very simple for absolute beginners and we're going to crochet a bikini top. So here I have one side of the top made and we're going to work the second part together. So let's grab our materials and get into the video. So we're going to need yarn. This is a medium weight yarn, winterking 4-ply, and it's 100% acrylic. We will need a measuring tape for taking measurements. We'll need a pair of scissors, a crochet hook, this size 3.5 millimeter, and we'll need a yarn needle to weave in the ends. So to begin, we're going to start with making a slip knot. Make a slip knot and make chains, a foundation chain measuring 3 inches. So that 3 inches is from the tip of the nipple to the base of your breast. Okay, so chain 1, 2, 3. For the size I'm making, the size small to medium, so I'll make 15 chains. These are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just to confirm if it's measuring 3 inches, I'll place the tip of my measuring tape there, and then so it's measuring 3 inches without stretching, and we're going to chain one more to start our first row. So once you have the extra chain, go into the second chain and make a half double crochet. So you grab your yarn and insert your hook in the next chain and make a half double crochet into the next half double crochet, half double crochet, and we're going to make half double crochet all the way to the last chain here. So when we get to the last chain, we are going to make 3 half double crochet in the same chain. So this is the first one, the second, and the third half double crochet. So I'm going to grab a stitch marker and place the second double crochet so that when we come back we will not confuse where to make the 3 half double crochet in one stitch. So once you have that in place, go into the next stitch and we're going to repeat 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch to this point here. So the first one is this half double crochet, and while you do that, you can hide this tail along so that you don't have to weave it at the end of the project. So you're going to half double crochet in each and every stitch across, and when you get to the last stitch you should have the same number of half double crochet on both sides and 3 in the last chain here. So you have 14 half double crochet on this side and then 14 on this side. That's for the first row. So we've come to the end of the first row and we have 14 stitches or half double crochet on this side and on this side. Now we begin the second row by chaining 1 and turn, grab yarn, and into the first stitch make a half double crochet, and continue making half double crochet in each and every stitch until you get to where the stitch mark is, where we're going to make 3 half double crochet in the same stitch. Half double crochet, half double crochet. If it's your first time to come across this channel, consider joining our community by clicking on the join button and choose any membership level that you are interested to support this channel with, and I would appreciate also you can send a super thanks to support this channel. So we have one more stitch before we get to the stitch marker, and when you get there, remove that stitch mark and place 3 half double crochet in that same stitch. 1, 2, and 3, and then you return the stitch mark in the second stitch. So this 1, 2, this is the second one, and continue making 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch to the end of the second row. So basically that is what you're going to do for this second breakup. And as I said, we are making a size small to medium, so I'm going to make a breakup measuring 5.5 inches wide that can fit a small to medium size. So one more last stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet and then chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat this pattern until you have 8 rows, and I'll meet you when I have the 8 rows to show you the next step. So I've come to the end of the 8th row, and now we're going to chain 1, turn your work, and start the 9th row with a half double crochet, half double crochet in each and every stitch until you get to where the stitch marker is, and I'll show you what to do. When you get to the stitch where we have a stitch marker, put it aside and make 1 half double crochet there, then make 60 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 until you have 60. So once you have 60 chains, skip the first chain and go into the second one and make a slip stitch. So grab yarn and pull through the loop on your hook, go into the next, insert your hook, grab yarn and pull through. So that is a slip stitch, grab yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. So you insert in the chain and grab yarn, pull through that chain and through the loop all the way to the last chain here. So repeat that and I'll see you at the end of this. So I have 3 chains to go. Make slip stitch, slip stitch, and the last one. And now we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. So grab yarn, insert your hook in that space and make a 1/2 double crochet, and then keep making 1/2 double crochet in each and every stitch to the end. So this is our last row, and that is why we made this strap to tie at the back of our neck. So make 1/2 double crochet and I'll meet you at the end. So once you get to the last stitch, chain 1 and fasten off, then cut your yarn. That's how we complete our bra cap. So repeat this same pattern for the other bra cap. Now I have 2 bra caps and the straps to tie at the back. Okay, so the next step, we are going to make a drawstring that will go through these rows on both bra caps. So to make a drawstring, double your strands or the threads and make a slip knot. Then make a chain measuring 30 inches, between 25 and 30. So I'm going to make a chain that is measuring 30 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll meet you when I have my chains. So I have 120 chains measuring 30 inches. Now you cut your yarn, then fasten off, and using the yarn needle you're going to pass it through the rows here. So determine the right side. The right side will be determined by the first row that you did. So this is the right side, and we're going to pass our drawstring from this very first row here, then going to skip 1 row, going to the next, skip 1 row, then going to the next, skip 1 row, into the next, skip 1, into the next, skip 1, then the next, skip 1, like that. So we have our 2 bra caps in place like that. Just to confirm the size of each bra cap, we'll just go ahead and do it right here with you. So I told you I was making a size small to medium, which measures 5.5. Okay, so this is 5.5 inches, and now we have our bikini top done, I'll go ahead and weave in all the loose ends, this one, and I'll come back to show you the final look. And there we have our bikini top. Yeah, very simple to make and very beautiful. This is how you tie at the back. Yeah, so thank you so much. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think and consider sharing with friends. Until next one, bye.